Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're installing the dashcam today. So let's start. So we'll try and pass the cables through this area, then come all the way down here, down to the back. To the back. That's for the rear camera. Extend the cabling from here, then down to that side. So I'll be starting with the rear camera installation because it takes a longer time to install, because the front one you don't really need to do much. The front one just have to just go through this way or through this way, pass the cabling inside this, then bring it all the way down to this area. Installing the dashcam is quite easy. It's very easy. It's just to run the wires through this place, the cable through this place. I've inserted some here already. Then this way I had to pry this out using this tool to pry this place open, then put this. So I'm going to run it down through this place now, everywhere. Let me see if I can hold the camera. No, I can't. So this is the cable. It's quite easy. So it's just push it inside. Inside of this. I can't do it well because of using the other hand to hold. Okay, it's quite easy. So you can see this has gone inside this place. So you have to push this one inside properly, locking this side up, then just keep. So now we're behind. I had to open the trunk, then to find a way to forcefully insert this inside this place to get to this area, to get to the middle. So I'm done closing all these parts, I'm done installing it. So that's the rear camera. So I have to use a zip tie to hold this part because the wire it's looking too long. But you have to leave a bit of an extension so that you have a bit of allowance for the wire. So now let's install the cable for the front camera. This is the one that goes to the cigarette lighter. So we have to insert this other end inside. The front camera we're running is from this way all the way down to this pillar, then down here. I'm done inserting all the wires inside the pillars. So this was the only side that was challenging. Let me tuck this in. This side was the only side that looks a bit challenging, but was still easy. So I ran the wire under this side, under the carpet. Then here is it. Here's the connection to the cigarette lighter. So let's install the cameras now. This is the front camera. Before you stick it up, we are going to connect the cable to it and check to see that it's capturing the angle, like it's centered. Then you can now take out the peel. I'm just gonna take out this peel and stick it to the screen, to the main screen. So let me do this now. So that's the front camera, setting it up. So that's the image quality. It's not that bad. So let me install it now. The front camera is installed. I also want it to feel hidden, So that's why I put it in this position. So that's the back camera at the top. That's rectangular icon at the top right corner. It's supposed to show the back camera because it's on the seat. So let me go and glue it to the glass now. So that's the rear camera. So that's the rear camera image. If I press this power button twice, it should go. That's the front. Just show just the front camera, and that's it with installing this dash cam.